Hey y'all, thanks for joining us. In the last video we discussed the six main plant categories, and we looked at allium plants, which include garlic, onions, chives, and vegetables like these. In this video I will cover a cruciferous plant and show you which cruciferous plants contain the highest amounts of natural growth hormones. So let's get this ball rolling. Cruciferous veggies are a diverse group with many species being raised for food production that include broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, kale, bok choy, arugula, Brussels sprouts, collards, watercress, radish, and similar leafy green vegetables like this. Cruciferous plants need cool weather, full sun, water, and rich soil. So plant your cruciferous plants where they will get at least 6 hours of sun daily and has fertile, well-drained, moist soil with plenty of organic matter. Cruciferous plants such as arugula and broccoli needs adequate amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And some of them produce high amounts of amino acids as well as growth regulators. They also contain high amounts of calcium, magnesium, and protein. Arugula, for instance, is high in nitrates. It is one of the plants in this category that we incorporate in all our fertilizers. Broccoli is another that contains high amounts of nitrogen and phosphorus, making them both viable nutrient sources for all your plants. Leafy greens are some of the best known nitrate sources. By weight, arugula is the clear winner, boasting 480 milligrams of nitrogen to 100 grams of material, which is almost twice as much as a cup of beets, and at least 18 times more nitrate than kale. So arugula is a plant that you really should consider using in your grow regimen. So really, there's not really too much to say about cruciferous plants, except they taste good. But as I always say, some plants contain more natural growth hormones than others. You just have to check them out and see which one is best for your grow regimen. So that just about wraps it up for now. For more information on cruciferous plants, just visit the link below and visit our website, and you can get much more information on this subject. And if you like this video, let us know. Hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, will you please? Thank you. Ciao, bad love.